racing just started with Mallorca. Break quickly to start. Running by the release favorite Chanel. And on the outside, Cats Delight. Storm Apo. Catalea comes next. Time of my life. Then next online is Directors Astra. And going along for the first turn, we have Mallorca. Merling Kenny Hop. And in second comes Cats Delight. Catalea is on the outside. Favorite Chanel comes next. Princess Winner is Storm Apo. Time of my life. Then comes Santa Fe. Directors Astra. Nobody but you. Second last. While Directors Hunter Raul racing in last. Back to the leader. We have Mallorca. Enjoying a 2 lengths lead. And in second is Catalea. And in third now is Cats Delight. Moving up now at the outside is favorite Chanel. Princess Winner now trying to get closer in fifth. And in sixth comes Time of My Life and Santa Fe. Last 400 meters of the race. We have Mallorca enjoying a length lead. Moving up now at the outside is favorite Chanel as they swing to Rome. Mallorca, Merling Kenny Hop. Favorite Chanel. Moving up on the outside now is Princess Winner. Last 100 meters. We have Mallorca. Followed by favorite Chanel. And finally, the program opener, Mallorca. Second, Princess Winner. Then comes favorite Chanel.
Okay, bayang galerista, for your race number 1, our unofficial winner, numero 5, La Mallorca. Ito po, second choice para sa ating winner take all. At masisugundo dyan, numero 6, Princess Winnet. Dikit no sa numero 3, favorite Chanel. Muli po natin tingnan at balikan ng replay para dito sa inyong